People have to start over back, so my energy is low.
Yo, you're the upstairs.
Alright, so basically what we're about to do today is that we're going to talk about why Jamaican men are lazy, why a lot of them turning gay, why there are so much madmen in Jamaica, and also why we have so much deadbeat dads.
Yeah,
I
that's
guess
what I want to talk about.
Rolly can't talk about that because me Rolly's a deadbeat dad. Somebody tell me say Rolly breed somebody. I joke, man, don't follow me. I mix up all the things. But anyway, I joke, man. I like Rolly saying get pregnant and mother kick him out or him kick her out. It
was a prank.
I joke, it was a prank. No, that things about Rolly now become the hurting feelings. I'm not saying
She
camera.
did not. I don't know what I'm telling you.
I am very, very sorry. Anyway.
I know what.
Anyway, so basically we're starting right now. And I hope you guys enjoy the topic. Leave a comment down the bottom, people. Alright.
So you're going to stay right this up?
I like floor because we like this on the lowest. On the lowest. Alright, come. Alright, right. That's your razor?
Yeah, but
right.
you want to decide me on the chair, you know?
Oh.
Bad man, I don't want to decide.
No, I just want to
Oh, so you want to come
almost a
back
leg
over
and me
there?
go between the statues.
Alright.
Alright. Back to the story now.
Raise up sausage?
Whatever I talk.
We have egg.
Yeah. People, I don't curse, don't drink, don't smoke. So that's why I'm saying statues and other stuff. Alright, come, can't do it. PG. Alright, so first question I'm going to ask. Let me ask the girl's point of view.
No, that's alright.
Alright. Only 2 minutes people. So, my girl, hot and sexy, why do you think we have so much lazy men in Jamaica?
Because,
Jamaican man no lazy.
No. I think it's because of like the style. You know, nowadays a lot of persons going over, a lot of American female coming out here, marry them, take them overseas. So it's like nobody don't want to work.
What about
them just want to work
Yeah.
them just want to wait for a woman.
What about the reason when I get married? Because I know how to wait.
I'm the other way, yeah.
But I think, for me personally, I think because them are wait for that.
What are we with for spoiling?
Yeah, because you listen, probably have a friend who
what kind of lazy shit about though?
I have no
Yes, alright, that's one time when I talk to mommy about it, I say, you know, online they say, Jamaican man say them white woman are mind them and da.
It's a thing out here in Jamaica, so it's like nobody, I see because more than one person getting the opportunity, it's like, alright, then everybody just wait for a foreign woman.
For come and mind them.
Yeah.
Yes, and next thing to me realize, you no mind them out, I see all of the women them go work. Might be lie or not, but most of the time I come out to my man time, I see women them go work. Like 5 or 6 men they on the corner smoke weed.
And I think
I don't really see my work, so that's why I say them, we consider them as lazy. You understand? So what's your point with that?
I don't think.
The old side, we feel like the old system, yeah.
What about the system?
It's like when every man outside the two women they really outside like how me the guy and the woman they miss her off the corner, so probably it's different out there.
Yeah, I
But
know.
why
So
is
it's like
why is that in Jamaica?
Let me tell you reference. Let me tell you what I say. Let me explain what I say. Because me I say it's like when you say see them on the corner, the thing is somebody woman you not see them.
Right.
Woman they home lock up inside now do nothing. You understand? You not to see them, they lie down and go and press pumps and collect money.
Yeah.
So
Can I say one more thing?
take 2 pictures, upload it on Facebook.
And that's it.
Thank God for Bay.
Yeah.
And still have Joe guy
That
come
was
and say
back in the days. We're talking about 2019. Most men lazy are not working in 2019.
That means that
I think it's because it's a school system. There's a lot of young boys don't go to school. So they grow with that lazy mentality.
I feel like even agree with her and say the man is more lazy. But nobody can tell me say that at 2019 woman I know woman there but they are lie down
and take picture.
And next question, let's pass this one. Only leave a comment if you think about that. But even though me see more women I go to school, I'm see man know this. But anyway, that's some point. 2019.
More women taking leadership in the home, in the workplace.
They might have them thing and they might go.
Especially in Jamaica.
What are they doing to get that position?
Work
hard.
Hard.
In the school system, we have more females
Work
going to
hard.
school than
Focus
men.
more.
In college,
Work
more females go to
hard.
college than
Because
men. That's the matter. Why is that? But that's the next topic. Why so much females going to school than male? Why is more females getting educated than male? We know so we live on the same page. More feel like
sometimes the system.
the system.
You can have a no crazy. You have to think
No,
like I get to you.
Go in there.
You see me I say? Sometimes the system get you down. You see each time I try pick up myself. somebody pull you down.
Oh, like you gonna say walk is
Me
in
as
that.
No, you go for your job not presentable and you saying, alright, you not have the proper work clothes. Don't know, probably we get an interview, you have to have jacket and tie and thing. You not have that, but you go as you are and then shun your back just by your address and thing. You have to look for them things.
But then the shun back female.
I think
Come
sometimes.
on, don't say female.
Me, now
But I think that if you know the proper way to do something, why you
not
gonna
do it?
go unorganized? Why
But
you gonna go
sometimes
look
you not
trashy
have
and
it.
So in the bar clothes are next to it.
So then have you can even explain to people more while people lean it like that with them saying I have it
Yes.
because me see people get you see because me never have it, I'm going to get you. I'm going to tell him, say, sir, this is how I put this. I'm still find a way, just going in my jeans.
Alright,
and
yes.
sometimes
me I say, me now bias about the system. The system here, but when me have high school and enough for my bridge, them me see, sit down and run back at the girl every day. Bag of this, bag of that every day. So the girl in their class and I study hotel. Me alright. Me one of the man when me there pre little book, yes, but me got alive enough time just to look woman. You see me? And enough of the time when me look in there be a predator in there, as in the man them in there, me look woman and the woman them now. We spend half an hour at lunchtime and look woman and half an hour. Half an hour. The woman in there just read her book and I say, yes, to me I know. Me, she have mates, so she be a mates and me now pre that me want the woman. Since when them left school and I pre further, when I'm further to go.
That's right.
So maybe like ambition.
I think sometimes it's peer pressure.
Hold on, me to go library for look man, none of man never look me. Me have one breast them time there. Yes, I was awkward in high school.
One breast? Alright.
I think a peer pressure too, because if you feel like say you're not keep up to the standard that your friend do, like if your friend is a galley and you're not be a galley, then at the end of the day, if your friend has smoke with you, you're not smoke with
like
you.
ambition need that because if you have ambition, the society can determine say you are no galley. You want, let me tell you this, I know for my regime sit down and reason. You think it's nice for you sit down and look at the girl where you used to go high school with a drive big vehicle, you have no chance to get big vehicle. You have to quit. If you're a priest, you want a big vehicle, you're going to do the right thing.
That's right.
So
Like you
if
make
you're not a priest, a book card, enough time people raise me and say dog and enough and everybody have a brain like me. I say bro, you have never diss nobody when it comes to my brain. They say if you can't get it the book way, we are still.
That's right. Like what
YouTube
I am not really the brain type, so I'm trying to find a skill.
That's right.
But down to the man where you look at TV man where do the card pack trick, them still find something for do. Even
I'm bringing some change.
So bring it, that's what I say, so find
but
something.
I think nowadays, man, them not really stay up and corner them hustling.
No, I feel like man
go on a
now.
site and get a 1 day
work thing.
Them do that.
No, you know you have some.
Most men not working.
Alright, next topic up.
Do that.
We agree, disagree. Some not work, some are work. But majority
of them.
not work. Woman them a lead. Right, raise agree, woman my lead. Next topic now is that why we have so many gay men in Jamaica, now we have gay female.
You want me to start the answer there?
Yes, answer.
Really and truly, if me could have serious and say to you, say me know the answer for that, I would be so lying.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm making money more.
No, I really want to jump to
No, I don't want to jump to conclusion here, but I just say me really don't know because me I say, oh man, you have someone who come like them, born with it in them. Yeah man, you come like you even give yourself time to try out a girl or try out boom, you just one man so.
But why?
I don't know.
Some of them get tricked too. Some of them get tricked too.
I think I know somebody else they get molested and them
But
things.
females and Irish get molested more than males, so how come
It's
females
just
never
like
get
them
to
brain
why
weak
go
it's either them brain weak or probably they go through it so immense them. Dirty but we can't pick up for your man, but just I say we still don't know why. Like some people come out and just bad feet.
I don't feel anybody born feet, I just feel like
That's how them act.
I feel like at the end of the day, as you said, but it's the same thing, laziness, they don't want to go work. So if you see a man who have money and he can get something, if you see a friend, if you see a friend have flashy clothes and stuff like that, you want the same thing.
No for them
and you
boy.
don't want to go in and work because you don't want to go in and work, you know, if you go in and work place, you have a 9 to 5, you have to live by different rules. Them feel like so, my head hot.
I never use one cover all master. All with them lazy, enough of them could have go do things and could have do work and this and that. Them just, is that your mentality? You probably just your mentality weak.
Easy for John.
Easy for John because in a country like Jamaica where the culture is self-depict, one look like it right out right.
That's right.
So you're just weak family.
Weak.
I'm not gonna lie. So
and them hide it.
Yeah. If you turn that way then, I can't even say me have something against her, I have something against it, just that I just not get white people.
Yeah, we know.
I don't discriminate, I like everybody.
When I say
No, I'm not saying
the
that.
underline that joke.
Let's underline. Sorry, let me
We did
check.
not
We
say
did not
we
say
discriminate.
Sorry, I never said they
Yes,
said that.
yes.
What I'm saying, we don't discriminate here.
No, you
We
said
love
you,
everybody.
so we.
But say me because I can't see the people remember. Rose and I, more eat it down to Rose and I is kind of concede in the comments. Yes, but I'm talking for all of us though.
Okay.
We like everybody.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Me don't talk with three hours. We talk with myself.
Razor say him like them more. Leave it in the comments. I joke me.
Let me make my point here.
Thank you.
I don't have a problem with a man who live life. Because me a big man and enough thing my mother say, yo, why you do that? I'm doing the same way because
That's
I'm
true.
my own
You
big
know
man.
what
They're
I
my
don't
own
like?
person.
You
Everybody
know
has
women
their
I
own
like.
Mhm.
I remember one day went to the park.
Yes.
And as a female, I want normal and that. You know, as a female,
Yes.
model. This gay guy, I don't know if he can't say, but when they're
Allegedly.
Like, he come, yes, girl, it's like he want me to say
Attention.
him can act like a girl. Like, oh, can you
Like
be
my
more woman than
competition,
me?
yeah.
Man can't
That
get
is-
I mean that
Them
for
thing
me,
they-
me don't want
them
attention
thing they-
for me
them thing they
because
sick
me
with
don't
brain.
want draw the wrong.
You
You
never
know?
get peace when you come and try act so.
Yeah, you just out
That
of
is the
context.
problem.
Yeah, you just come and try.
I just say, yo,
Like
so
you
me
try
approve.
compete. Like you try
Yeah.
compete with a girl.
So people, my camera, USB,
Just
SDD,
continue.
whatever. I have to tell them, you know, want them know say everything I go on. It's full.
Oh, sorry.
Alright.
Yeah,
No, it's alright. It's cool. It's full.
that's-
Alright.
yeah.
If I apologize again, apologize to my best
I
friend.
need a sign.
Best friend. Alright, cool.
Oh, she's apologizing.
Alright, so let's start again. What we don't know? Oh, come off for the gay topic. Next thing to know, what I realized
That
too?
was a gay, you can say flamboyant.
The
Oh, yeah,
flamboyant
what the next
topic.
question?
The next thing what I realized too as well is that most, like in my eyes, the go downtown, let me see mostly men turning madmen, but let me see like one mad woman. But then the mad woman, when she get mad too, she have a man now, so I know if the man and pick her up.
Too.
Yeah, I've heard this mad woman though.
No,
You have a
no,
lot of
no,
mad
mad
men.
woman.
You have a lot of men.
Yeah,
The proportion of madman
No,
to mad woman is
Downtown
like
King
triple.
Street.
Mhm.
You wanna see mad
Last
woman?
time I said
Yeah,
mad woman don't know, a man pick
she's
her up and
saying
tell her no
more.
man.
She's saying more
Yeah,
mad
they
men
will see.
than
I
women.
want that man. So I guess women, even if them turn mad, like man
more
does.
luck.
I
Man,
think
pick them
it's
up.
because I think the reason why
Strength.
the reason why you have more, you have lesser man woman because women we are more emotionally attached.
Mm.
Yeah, so we know how to manage our emotion. We know how to
True.
handle changes.
Yeah,
We know how to manage stress more than a man. A
Right.
man if he mind space just
No,
step on it.
you're right.
The basic. Hunting. So if you feel like he's not hunt, he might go stress and then probably after a while him
Yeah,
just
Yeah,
us
because-
said yesterday
yeah.
we have a financial clock and when we
Yeah.
can't meet it, it mash up women.
Yeah, I really think man really can't manage stress.
Stress.
And them try them best for run from it.
Mhm.
That's
And
why
then-
you have some people that say, you know, no, oh, Jamaican man stays and thing. It's
Yeah,
like it come from the
understand.
background of
Yeah.
parenting. You see me? I say, if they grew up in a home and them say, yo,
Yeah.
when things get hard, still push on. Don't give up.
That's
If
right.
they grew up that
And the
way,
way we
then
start
we
saying that people
understand.
cry and them things.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're not gonna
it's
show
like-
love or
we
that
don't know how
up
to
thing
express
that.
yourself because if you express yourself, if you talk about
They
your
get
feelings,
ridiculed,
you're
they
weak
get
as a
slapped,
man.
they get one bag
Mhm.
of things too, so at the same time it's like you need to want to show a certain vibe.
True,
Them end up
true.
become mad because of that.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's too much
Because
to
after a
handle
while, your
sometimes.
brain cell just tired.
You know your brain can manage so
And
much
gone.
and so much more.
Mhm.
Easy.
But this is me, I want me find that as a confusing statement, right?
Mhm.
Women, them go through, and we have our rape culture in Jamaica. Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
let's be real, we have a rape culture. Women, them get raped. No, it's a rape culture we have. Women, them get raped, them get molested and all that
It's
some
like,
of
I
them.
justify, but woman can't run me down for rape without boom boom, because it's like that weird.
But you understand me, I say, so much thing happen to females. That and abuse, rape, all them
Go
some of
through
them.
pregnancy.
Go through pregnancy, go through embarrassment.
Look
Embarrassment.
around to take stress, yo.
But yeah, even so after that, but in a day, them still come back, them do them work, them do that. But again, they could stress, as you guys say, compared to all
We're not
that.
born feet.
Yeah, they
We
were
just know about
weren't
it.
created for that.
Well, trust me, God give you the muscle if you do the physical attack, you know?
Yeah.
Them thing about it's like, Uno, because
And then for me, I think as we mentioned it before, as a culture we grew up in, you only have parents. If you're a man, you have one boy. If you grow like a man, like
And
he's
yeah.
a little boy.
Oh, we
He's
learn
like
to do
he's
things.
like a sponge right now. He's in a learning stage. You understand me? Say every time say to be a man when him a boy.
boy, yeah, man
But
up
it's
on
gonna
them
work
thing there.
out.
And then when you know what, man, we can't take pressure, man say, yo, as little stress touching, no, chow low this year, man. We low it 2 times, yeah, man.
But we feel like it, as I
Give me a
said,
job for the split, let me
I feel like at 2019, you know, as we were talking about 2019, I don't want to have mad one, but I'm saying at 2019 now, I feel like men must own up to them emotion, and you know, if you feel stressed, as you say, tell somebody. Too much when a
but
man
you
feels
see,
stressed.
when I go say we are sissy and this
Ah,
and that.
weak.
No, personally not say so because
Me personally,
you against the rest of women in the world, me literally have friends when me see them sit down and reason women.
I say you don't know how to wait, man.
Well, no, me literally sit virgin, reason girl and say, this boy, me I go through it, you know. And the girl tell me say she left the man because she can't bother with somebody who has a complaint. And me I say, yo, it's just the youth I go through, me not lie, feel it.
Yeah, a man really not gonna get up and tell you how him really feel.
I know we think that. So if a
Yeah.
man sit down and tell us, say, babe, right, really and truly, me I go through it. Because me this shallow, you know.
Because him been there by himself, you know.
Yes,
So
yes.
when you know for him, I say, yo, guess what, gone. I'm not gonna make you know, and then him trust you enough for making you know.
No,
And
and
then,
Sometimes I say finally we can get
Yo,
somebody
me
say,
did shallow
and then
because
you come back with the same
me book a lot of
attitude.
girl and we see a lot of relationships will go bad because as soon as you vex, hey, and this is why we ever do say that, so me never trust no one man.
Yes, yes.
Say so me sit down to my girl and I tell her things, I expect her to hold it for me because she been doing that, but I know every girl stays.
Yes, so yeah.
That's
You see me?
That's
So
true.
enough time people see me and say, oh, that you they just ever happy. Me have the time when I don't and me just not, me never talk to nobody at all. We didn't even want to talk to her mistress, but you know if you come on and make me feel good. It's but I know everyone like that. Someone will say, him just moody and this and yo, me frost because things in life now going away from me. But you tell certain girl, you're there on DG, you're there on pink wall. Your friend have to know
Yeah.
everything.
So you're saying that solution is that female also, or men
You have to adjust how they look on it.
to as
You
well.
have to look, adjust how you look on it.
And not just your girlfriend, but mainly from your
Yeah,
mother.
both, yeah.
Mother,
Parents.
parenting is very,
Parenting,
that's
yeah.
mainly
From the home,
family,
from
yeah,
the
from
home,
the
isn't
home.
Oh, me topic, yeah.
Alright, what was my last question? Because I forget everything. What was my last one? Alright, let's end at 3. Remember next time. I'm sorry. But this is the stuff that bothers me, and I want to know if it bothers other people here in Jamaica as well, and to male and female. I think the solution to everything is that be yourself, enjoy life,
Communicate more.
communicate more.
Yeah, express your feelings,
Open up,
yeah.
yeah.
And don't care if nobody say you're weak or nothing like that, because a real person would know when a person is weak and when you're not.
That's right.
Try
If you
improve
cry,
by
you're not
yourself,
weak,
too.
okay?
Yeah, kind of mean
Improve more by yourself.
Yeah,
Sometimes-
personal development.
Sometimes the
Yeah,
person will
self-growth
cry
is
just don't want to
important.
lick down your face half of your neck. And that's the thing, they just cry and say, no, more it.
That's right. Alright, so we're going to end the vlog right here. And I want to thank my newfound friends and my best friend for trotting this whole time
New
with
phone,
me.
you may never accept that, you know. It's new phone friend. Look what
Alright.
I know me.
No.
Yeah, we are
So
not
just
fun.
at them.
Like,
Yeah.
So much.
I'm always saying everything wrong. I don't know how it is, but you know, Rosa on the filter. Alright. To my friends and to my best friend, because she had tried it from all man, you know, some big arrow. So thank you guys very, very much, and thank you guys for watching.
Leave a comment down below. Let us know one thing that bothers you guys about Jamaican men.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
it's a topic.
That's right.
That's the topic.
So bye.